Hi friends, in the previous video we have seen how to set up the Webpack in our JavaScript project. So we have successfully set up the Webpack in our project, but one problem is there. For example, if you are writing ES6 code in your project, so previous videos we have seen that ES6 project should be converted into the ES5 code so that it should be understood by the all the browsers. So for that one we have used Babel compiler. So but here in this one in the Webpack configuration we have seen only we are converting that one. We are copying the file from the index.source source file and we are just dumping that one into the dist folder. Let's see whether this Webpack automatically converts the ES6 into the ES5 code or not. So if I go to the index.js file, we have written only console.log, right? I will remove this one and I will write some ES6 code. So don't think of these classes and all the things. We will cover in the next in the next videos. We will cover these all the things. So just I am writing some constructor name. Okay, this dot name is equal to name. Okay, I will create one person. Let person is equal to new person of, I will pass by name my name Leela and I will do console log of person. Okay, so I just created a new simple class. I created an object for that one and I am consoling the person so that it should print Leela as per the code we have written. Now what I will try to do is I will try to run the code npm run build. If I try to npm run build, so we know that JavaScript doesn't have any classes or anything. So old browser doesn't understand the classes concept. They know only the prototypes and all those things. So let's see that classes is converted into the functions or not. So if I go and if I see in the main.js file, the class person and constructor what I have written, everything is dumped like that only. So it is not compiling the code ES6 code into the ES5. So in order to compile the ES6 code into the ES5, we need to use the Babel compiler. So now we need to introduce the Babel compiler in the Webpack so that Webpack before dumping that one into the dist folder, it will compile with the Babel compiler and that compiled code it will paste it into the dist folder. Let's set up the Webpack with Babel loader. So if you go to the here and first what we will try to do is Babel compiler. Why Babel compiler means, so we have used in the previous videos Babel compiler, so that is the reason we are using the Babel compiler. So now I can go here Webpack. Here what they have told. So first we need to install this package Babel package. So I will try to install the Babel package. So it will take some time to install the Babel package. Okay. Now after installing this Babel package, what we will be doing is, so we will try to copy this module. Is telling that via configuration we need to try to copy this file. So Babel compiler is in successfully installed. We will go to the here and we'll go to the webpack config.js and we need to paste this one here. So what is this one is saying is, so test the JS files. So that means before pasting that code into the JS file into the dist folder, so take the JS file and exclude the JS files which are present in the node modules and compile the JS files with the Babel loader. So this is the thing, this is the configuration what we have written here. And now we will go to here and we will go to the Babel RC. So now we need to create the Babel RC file, right? So we will create the Babel RC. So here dot Babel RC. Okay, we have created Babel RC. So before writing the code, we need to install the presets. So that means the modules which are necessary to convert the ES6 code into the ES5. So that we need to install the presets. So now the presets is getting installed. Before presets getting installed, so what we will do is we will copy this code and we will paste it in the here in this one. Okay, so we have pasted the presets also here. Now after installing this one, let's try to compile the same code whether that one is compiling into the ES5 or not. So now what I will try to do, I will compile it again here using npm run build. If I try npm run build, so it is successfully getting installed, I think. Yeah, so main.js has been created. So let's check the dist folder. So what could be the main.js? You see here, see now the entire class has been changed to the function and all those things, so which could be understood by the Babel compiler as a, sorry, which could be understood by the all the browsers. So cannot call a function. So here where person is equal to function person, these are all the things is right. Now what we will try to do is we will try to use that one in index.html here, and we will try to execute this file. So reveal in file explorer, and I will open this one directly in this one. So browser. So if I check in the console, if I go here, if I go to the console, I got the person C. So I got the person object everything. I think I tried to print the F person, I think. So let's try to print the, what we can say here, index.js and person.name. Okay, now if I try to build it again, so all the time we need to build it again, or otherwise if you want to auto build everything, so whenever you change the file you can use ---- watch for the command. So now you can check the output here. So I got the Leela printed successfully in the browser. So this is how we can use the Webpack and also Babel compiler combinedly in order to execute the ES6 project. So what we can say, this code what is there in the main.js code. So this could be these are all the things, forget these all the Webpack configuration, that are the things. So no need to know about these all the code what I saying. This code could be, it will be understood by all the browsers including IE10 and all those things, so that you can write in the updated to advanced code ES6 next generation JavaScript code, and the Webpack will take care of compiling that one into the vanilla JavaScript, which could be understood by all the browsers. So I think you understood the Webpack setup and also the Babel setup in the project. So in the next videos we will see, using this project we will see how to write the ES6 code. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.